Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came back here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are here with TeeJay Deeds. TeeJay Deeds. This is the latest song with TeeJay drop. Anybody know me knows that TeeJay, I'm an artist. Respect TeeJay as an artist who pave and make him way forward from Mobby and there. In the thing I do him things. So big up yourself, TeeJay. Lots of respect for you, my G. You sang them and your growth. I've been following it for years. So big up yourself, my G. So without further delay, I can jump to the one and see what is going on in the other one. Let's go. So this is produced by Ramesh Entertainment. For all who know, he stepped away from the Ramesh camp. Seemed like amicable agreement for him to go film with, and you know, sometimes you get bigger than, not bigger than, sometimes you grow and just want to spread your own wings and become your own man and stand up on your own 2 feet. Whether it's a good decision or a bad decision, I don't know. I'm just here to support TeeJay music. Maria TeeJay, let's go. So it seemed like him get a parcel, him get a present, and inside the present is a VR, like a 3D game, and a control, and took the controller already, and took out some cable already. So make we see walk one another one, yeah. Person, the logo for the game, Ramesh Entertainment. TeeJay Deeds, okay. Start. Oh, that's interesting. So this look at the him pick him character now. So character them now, man, if they can see. Yeah, they can see now. Character them now. So character level appearance. So him only have one appearance unlocked, and that appearance is poor boy. So decent boy lock, money boy lock, jug lad lock, and top chopper lock. So make we see what go on. Poor boy, Jaja. Okay. Difficulty level. Go easy, warm up. Or badness. Badness. Thank God some wake up. Yeah. Got life, some short out low. Get the game up. Poor life. So, poor boy outside now. Me like the concept. Me just see this. Me like the concept, yeah. These are the GTA concept. So this are the time. This is your skill level, I think, and this is your energy, your health. So I have 1 star off time so far, and I'm gonna have changed it on $88. So I could go on and see. Life that no. Fight to the ending. Politician. Okay, make you see what I'm gonna say. The time I was spending. Oh. Take advice, no pretending. Come in the line of different thing, no. It seems like I'm breaking down the video more than the lyrics, and because the video seems interesting, the video grabbed me. As it started, the video grabbed me. So basically, it looked like, say, poor boy I go fight politician, which the concept, I like the concept of the video. First, I start video like this, I could carry on and see. That's every ghetto youth dream. As soon as I make a money, the real one them, as soon as I make a money, the mother have to know that. The mother have to see a different life. You understand me like that? Take care of the one them we real. See that? Love for my family. Remember? See, him knock out politician already. Knock out politician. So, I make you see one. Yes, we got we better than no food are hungry. Politician talk, but system no love we. Politician talk, but the system no love you. Enough hungry nights we go to bed, enough food. Politician get KO. You have 2 star half time now and some money. What's life without stressing? What's life without stressing? Like life comes with ups and downs, G. Bad mind is the next thing. Bad mind boss. Bad man boss do it in Iran. Bad man boss go in. Me now fight life like wrestling. More investing million. Oh, fuck lord, him knock out bad mind. Yeah, we like this. Him knock out bad man in a one go. I fight life like wrestling. More investing million. So the concept, him a knock out bad mind. So him knock out politician, knock out bad mind. Who else am I gonna knock out in another video? So him have 5-star half time now and him have whole heap of money now. Alright.
Yeah.
But this is something more like that. Okay, so now character level appearance is still I say 1 out of 1. I think the editor should have put like 2 out of 4 basically should have got it. So but anyway, appearance you have top chopper lock, juggler lock, money boy unlock, decent boy lock, and poor boy still unlock obviously. So make us see where money boy I did it.
Yeah, which life I'm all about. When I did the cornerstone.
Level upgrade. So I'm upgrade a level now. Alright.
Why they build a refuse? I never wanna choose.
The stone when they build a refuse become the head cornerstone. Yeah.
You don't know me buy a land plus build me mother house. Man I come from nothing, so what you wanna do?
That's every ghetto youth dream. Him saying buy a land plus build him mother house. Every ghetto youth and the real one them when know which part them I come from, real one them dream to make sure so them mother happy. So him saying buy land plus build him mother house. So some moment nice, moment alright.
Today they do it. Fuck all out think them better than me. Vex because me never give no credit to them.
I feel that. I feel when TeeJay say fuck all out think say them better than me. I feel that. Fuck all out think say him say vex them vex because he never give no credit to them. So where's a drop this but fuck all of the one that think them better than TeeJay. You're not better than TeeJay, you're nothing but a sappy piece of cloth. You understand? So the concept, like me say, at first me I see a concept like this in a one video. If you want to see someone else, let me know please. But I first me see this. Me like this.
Just the universe.
Oh, Dirty Bad Mind. Look at Dirty Bad Mind. Dirty Bad Mind, you fucker, yo. Alright, I can see myself.
Say hear me I tell you Ramesh. What's life without stressing? Bad mind is the next thing. Me now fight life like wrestling.
Bad Mind is the next thing. Me now fight life like wrestling. So right now, him and Dirty Bad Mind a fight.
More investing.
Bomba claw flawless victory with Dirty Bad Mind. Dirty Bad Mind gets it till him full. Watch out. Me like that. What I'm saying? How are they blood? Oh no, which part that's something that comes. Whoopsie! I think that is the old school Mortal Kombat them. When they go so boom 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 and beat up on whoopsie! Whoopie! I don't whoopie if it's a brother, whoopsie. Jesus. But this man still, I like it, TeeJay. I like the concept of the video, bro.
I don't know when it's gonna be my day. When it's gonna be my day.
So, I'm gonna pull up in one Benz, I want house, some property there, so I say, I don't know if it's a house, but he must say, I don't know when it's gonna be him there. Nobody know when it's gonna be them there, so just live it like you last and live it like you last, and just enjoy your life, make the most of it.
When it's gonna be my time.
Okay, so I pull up one gate, house for sale, I see money in one bag, only per US dollar.
Yeah. For me.
This looks like it's an apartment complex still. I don't think this is like a one house. Let me see. Apartments here.
Yeah, what's life without stressing? Bad man is the next thing.
A TeeJay yeah, them come. Them there TeeJay yeah down. So him just come out for the game. Him got the door.
In a fight life you are wrestling. More investing millions.
You get that doing it, man. I think that video I shoot long time, you know, cause TeeJay lose a lot of weight now. So I think that video I shoot quite a long time ago. And TeeJay cut him here now also. So this video is an old video, but Ramesh Entertainment choose to release it now. Nice video though. So the video is an old video called TeeJay appearance change. TeeJay lose a lot of weight and TeeJay cut him here also. So we know it's not a recent video. Dragon Stout sponsors. Look at the shout out to Dragon Stout. Me like this. Big up Ramesh Entertainment. Me like this. At first, I see a video like this, but it bad. Me like it. Me like it. Big up TeeJay. Anyway, you sign up my G. Big up yourself, my fam. So, guys, if you enjoyed that one, please leave a like. Please comment down below and let me know what you think about the video concept. Never break down so much after song. Song easy for break down. Song easy for catch. It's basically he must sing about him life and he must sing say him happy and reach somewhere else. So we get that, but the video grabbed me from the start. So that is what I choose to break down more than the song, the lyrics itself. So guys, this one I left the one. So leave a like, comment, and please subscribe if you're new. Alright? Peace.